other day I saw a link. Gary had sent me a link to this software or slash website slash application that manages patients' health, more like diabetes and people with chronic conditions, not necessarily medications or mental illnesses, but that really made me think, why not, if anybody's a developer or an entrepreneur who has the resources to make this happen. Idea 1. 2, there should be an app created for managing medications. So you punch in what medications you're taking, or it has a drop-down menu and it has all the medications listed, all the brands. And then you click that, and then you input your other medications. So mine would be Effexor, extended release, 150 milligrams times however many. I guess on a calendar. I don't know. But you put that, and then I take Ativan as well, so I put that. If you take any other medication, you put that, and then maybe it gives you a brief summary and a warning comes up if the medications do have adverse effects with each other, and also warnings in terms of alcohol, operating heavy machinery, taking with food, don't take it with milk, all those precautions and stuff that come with medications. If it's sort of dangerous, it comes up like flashy red or something, I don't know. And then, that app, whatever you put in there, it can be sent to your general physician or any other professional to share with them, to keep in touch with them easier. Idea 2 is not necessarily an application like an app, but a software that tracks an individual's mental health needs. So, much like if somebody with diabetes, it will say like, oh, your sugar's low, insulin, well, I think they should have that for mental illness. Because I think more than physical illnesses, people with mental illness tend to not keep up with their appointments, with their medications, with therapy, the nature of, mental illness. It's just that it's very difficult to predict consistency and be consistent and communicate with the professional and keep managing symptoms and your state of mind and being. So, from a business standpoint, I don't know how financially viable it is, because I understand the implications of those with mental illness can be a bit unpredictable, and would they even go on their internet or computer or software to even punch in, oh, I forgot to take medication today, or but it can be one-liner. It can be just a simple phrase like, I feel like shit, or I had no appetite, or I don't know, something like, I broke up with my girlfriend. It can be anything. Really simple. I think with where technology is going, I think we need to create software and these programs that can help the situation. I just think that might be an awesome idea. But then at the same, I understand the whole implication of, creating a startup that has something to do with mental illness. Is just like, there's the whole confidentiality agreement, and I don't know how many like psychiatrists or healthcare professionals would want to be open about it, or even share information, but at the same time, I think there's a lot of business to be had. I mean, you can partner with pharmaceutical companies, you can partner with large healthcare providers, insurance, or it can be completely private. But I think instead of the whole database for the doctors, I think there should be, in a way, a program or database for the individual patients too. It seems like everything's already been done in technology and everything else. Everything's like oversaturated, but I don't know, it's just, at the end of the summer I had this huge idea for a startup, and I looked into it and researched it, but that idea wasn't really viable. But looking at like the link Gary sent me and seeing what other people are doing, I thought, maybe it is possible. If they're doing it for, people with heart conditions or people with diabetes, then why not with mental illness? Why not with medications? I guess some pharmaceutical companies to advertise, or non-profit organizations. Just lots of collaboration and partnerships to be had. I think there's an opportunity for business there. So those are just some rough ideas and things that are going through my head. I've been working on art pieces. I have this huge one. I've got 3 large canvases actually, and the larger the canvas, the more time it takes, the more energy, the more paint I need. So it takes a little longer, but yeah, I'm really pleased with how things are going, and I'll share with you pictures of a few things I've been doing on the side apart from the Japanese fables, the project I am doing mainly. Because creativity works in mysterious ways, and sometimes you need to do other things apart from what you're really concentrating on to keep it flowing and inspiration coming. So, well, I should get going. It's my mom's birthday, so I'm gonna go have dinner with them, and so I will talk to you later. Stay warm.